So I've got the transmission split open. This metal drive shaft right here, that's where the motor kind of puts the drive into the transmission. It's a metal gear. It goes into these 3 plastic helical gears. It's a constant mesh deal, so all the teeth look good, everything rotates, that's working properly. Now there's 3-wire connector over here, and I think when you hit the front back or up and down at the front or up and down at the rear, each of these motors individually, this is going to be pushed out. So I'm guessing there's a coil in here for a solenoid, and that's going to push this out, which then is going to engage with that gear. And then this, for example, would be the black, and then this one here would be the blue, and then this one's the yellow. So this is super gummy. Electrically, all that stuff might work, but it's super, super gummy. The grease is almost lost its slippage or over the years, and it's become really gummy. So I'm going to take it apart and just clean all that, put some fresh grease, and then see if electrically I can get these solenoids to engage to the plastic gear. If that works, put it back together, and it should work. Tickety-boo.